Everyone, this is Kikipo Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Exotic Briefing, and welcome back to my channel. Ang ginagawa natin reaction video, ang Jelex compilation. Happy Father's Day sa lahat! So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ang dami na namang minention sa akin ni Camelot for today's video. Sige nga, tinangan natin to. Kasi kahapon, wait lang, kahapon, never tayong nag-stalk ata sa Jelex. Never akong nag-search ng Jelex. Ang sinearch ko lang, yung ginawa ko lang ng reaction video, yung mga minimension lang sa akin. So titignan natin to. Ay, ano na naman ito? Diyos ko, alam mo yung kantang to? Alam niyo yung Winry? Si Senator Win, tsaka si Senator Risa Hontiveros. Diyos ko, kilig na kilig ako. Napuyat ako sa kanila kagabi. Oo na, parang napanood ko na rin naman talaga to for today's video. Ang nag-mention nito, hindi talaga sa akin. Oh. Tapos, ala na, may miss ko na itong mga ganitong kantay. Sa totoo lang. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay, alam ko na. Ay! Alam ko na. Oo. Wait lang. BGYO Alexa, BGYO Jello and Alexa interview. Gusto ko itong makita. Sorry. Ay, ito! Tingnan natin ito. Diba? Pinukonto ni ate mong girl. Pinukonto ni ate mong girl. Wala na.
Friends kami.
Pinukonto ni ate girl.
Hi. Hi everyone. Okay, what are we talking about? What's your favorite song on Demand? Ooh, okay. My favorite song on Demand is Sinta. Sinta. That's my favorite song and I'm magyayabang na ako. I'm proud to say narinig ko na yun before pa. Thank you kay Akira.
Ay,
Salamat siya, hindi ko pinirata. And then my second favorite, as of the moment, is Raindrops. I think it's such an underrated song from the On Demand EP.
gusto ko itong marinig. Ano nyo dyan? Ano ba yan? January.
How is it working so far with Jello?
It's good naman. I like that he is very, willing to learn.
Maalaga. Charis.
Accepting naman siya kapag meron akong mga tips sa kanya or kapag may mga suggestions ako sa kanya, ina-accept niya with
Ganda
open
niya
arms.
dito.
Tapos very thankful din siya.
Maalaga ba siya, Lex? Yung totoo. Aminin mo. Aminin mo.
And maganda kasi kahit ngayon pa lang kami talaga nagka-work together, we're already very open
Yes.
with each other. Ang galing kasi parang wala nang break na wall or anything. Parang, boog, yun na.
Natural lang na naging close.
Agad, opo parang ganun eh. So, less problem for me na mag-build ng
Rapport.
relationship or rapport, chemistry, everything.
Pero,
Feels very
mahirap yan
effortless.
mag-build ng rapport.
Effortless.
Super hirap niyan.
Actually, nagko-collect talaga ako ng Pokemon, no? Yung whole BGYO, kino-collect ko na yung mga people. But, seriously, working with Aki, I worked with him na po kasi sa Your Face. So, nothing new, except this is acting naman. It's not singing, it's not performing. And, it feels very refreshing. Nare-refresh ako sa kanya and also with his character. Galing na galing ako sa kanya. I always tell him, you're a natural. Yes! You're a natural at this. You should do it more. You should do it more often. Bagay talaga sa kanya and kahit ako as Marla, kapag siya yung ka-excel ako.
Okay, si Akira. Akira, isara ang bibig, bawal umibig. Bro code, Akira. Akira, bro code.
Pati na rin si Alexa. Parang yun
I love Alex. I love Akira. Don't get me wrong.
sa araw-araw. So, it's been really fun.
Akira, malala ka. Ay, parang friends lang sila. Friends lang talaga sila. Ay, gwapo ni Chelo.
Showing pa rin ng The Chambermaid's Daughter sa I-1.
Gwapo ni Chelo. Grabe naman na bedroom voice yan.
Supportahan nyo lang, malay nyo.
May party.
May kasunod.
Oo. Support.
Asan si Miggy? Kanina niya pa hinahanap. Eto.
Anong atake niya dyan? Anong kwento mo dyan, Jello?
Okay na. O nga pala, hindi ko pa nabibigay yung regalo kay Alexa. Pero,
Bakit may parigalo?
ibibigay ko rin yun.
Bakit may
Pero isa
parigalo,
sa mga
ma'am?
binigay nito.
Anong meron? Bakit may parigalo? Charis mo. At yung chismosan, tita.
Nahiya na ako maglabas ng ilaw. Parang okay na to.
Oo, okay na yan. Parehas na natin pinakamalakas.
Ang labing-labing ni Jello talaga pag kinausap si Alexa. Yung totoo,
Lapit ka yan.
Anong tawag sa mga aces mo? Sa tawag sa... Tinatawag sa...
bakit ang baby-talk sila? Nangyigil ako.
Kaya pala Dalexa.
Kasi yung Dalexa, nag-originate siya from BBB.
Oo.
Nagkaroon kasi ng task na kailangan toys kami lahat. Tapos
Okay.
yung toy ko, doll.
Okay. Kaya pala. First live natin to, no?
Yes!
Kaya na, hindi
vibes,
nanonood.
vibes,
Hindi
vibes.
nanonood ng
Parang
PBB,
kung Michael
Jello.
Jackson na,
Nahihiya. Yung malapit na, isang baksakan lang yun, 30 episodes.
Diba? Isang upuan lang yun eh. Kasi one episode is...
Pero bakit sila
2 minutes.
nagbe-baby talk?
Crush ka
Yan
daw
yung gusto
ng...
kong malaman.
Wala eh.
Sino?
Sabi
Isang
crush.
lupa may daw. Sige, para marinig ko
Tama
rin.
na. Ay, tama ka na talaga.
Anyways. Ay, Alexa, ilakad naman. Official. Ha? Echosera. Echosera. Huwag ako ah. Ay. Ano to? Tapos the purchase.
I was just at that, in that
I'm
point
already
talaga
so
na I was ready
now.
for change. I feel like I've grown so much personally and pati na rin sa career ko na I felt like this is the time to start exploring, to start challenging myself talaga. Because I'm already 26, so not when. And yun nga, sakto rin po na the blessings just fell into my lap. Sakto-sakto yung timing. So sabi ko, ito talaga siguro yung God's time talaga para gawin ko itong mga to. Kaya kahit I have fears, not generally because of having a different co-star, but I had my fears, and also coming from a love team, I knew na it would be hard then. Like, the love team culture is very different than and I knew that some people wouldn't accept. It would be hard for some people, and I totally understand that. But at the end of the day, then kasi I know that this is work, and to me, work is the most important din talaga. So exploration ang word of my life right now. Talagang I'm working with so many different people. Ang saya din. Pero this one with Jello, it's giving. It's very vibey. Yun nga sabi ko eh. Parang, ano lang, magaan lang siya. So I'm very thankful kasi they're really making it a very healthy and positive environment for us. Happy shipping lang sila. Kasi alam naman din nila na I'm working with different actors and Misbehave next. From PCG to Misbehave. And who knows? What else? So, ayun. Vibes lang. Happy.
Dahil Alexa, pag naka-glasses talaga siya, no? Ay, napag-uhin natin to. Anyways, so this is all for today's video. This is Kuya Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!